Must be nice.
Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Before y'all start anything, go ahead, stop the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, go ahead and head over to the homies. When you're done watching this video, go over to the homies, hit a like on any of their videos, watch their videos, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get on to my video. Today I bring you guys back to the channel because I've had a little mishap, little same thing. I know you're wondering, yo, where's the fender? That's all that's left with it. I threw it away because I redid my transmission. Well, not the transmission, I redid the clutch and stuff, and I'm starting to believe that I didn't tighten this wheel. So I was taking it around the block and stuff, and the wheel flew off the car, bro. Shit said, yo, I'ma head out, yeet. So now I gotta get a new fender, and also I gotta change my, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it should be like, let me move these and these, and boom. See that little sensor right here? Where that little greenish? Get out the way, man. Alright, boom. See that little sensor down there? That's a knock sensor. I gotta change that. I already got a new one from Rock Auto, and I already paid $16 with shipping for it. Brand new. So I gotta change those two and go from there. Well, I gotta change the fender, but my fender, the new fender that I have, look, the new fender that I have is at my brother's house. So I'm actually gonna be taking the Advan stickers off. If you guys haven't noticed, I took the big Advan banner off the car, but your boy is still rocking with that pure oil. Feel me? So that is that. I actually want to get the car right before I go for pulls again and stuff. Yes, I have taken the car for pulls before. You guys will see that at a later date. But for right now, I'm just trying to get the car ready and get it right. So for now, I'm gonna just chill out. I did start the car up earlier, I brought it on the street, well, in the neighborhood, pause, in the place where I live. I brought it on the street and the wheel didn't fall off. I made sure I tightened everything. Also, I need to tighten this coupler right here. Hella boost leak. It don't matter, but yeah, that's the car. That's my predicament. I'm gonna put the front bumper back on, but I'm gonna get it painted and everything, and I know I need to put the bonnet back on the car, but it will get done in due time. So I'll put the camera down for now. I got the homies sliding through, and I'm gonna change my knock sensor, and hopefully later on change my fender, put it back on the car and show you guys. Yeah, got this menace at my house.
Yo, Alan Spec, check me out, boy.
Just because he did that, everybody who followed him from me unsubscribe. Definitely unsubscribe. What's going on, fast guy Matt?
That boy ain't right.
What's going on, fast guy?
I'm not fast anymore. I'm slammed now.
I slammed on the new wheels.
Miss me.
I did.
It's like misadjusted everything. Coilovers.
Yeah. I hope this thing starts. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Alright, so we were gonna do matte suspension, but you know, Florida weather, and how it is. And Chris bringing the rain with him.
Yeah, I brought
Like
the
this
rain.
man was like, yo, it's gonna rain. And as soon as he said it's gonna rain, I bring the car outside and Matt brings his car in the garage. Guess what? It started raining, so we had to swap. So I'm gonna just knock out the knock sensor while I'm here.
You ever heard
You should
about
fall.
everybody hates Chris?
Facts. Facts. Hell no. Chris.
He's only got 252
Chris.
subscribers. Nobody wants to
Chris.
Hey, leave this channel because of my channel.
Y'all boys, so back to the knock sensor. I already pulled the clip off, which is this clip right here. Knock sensor's right there. You said it was what, Matt? A 24? Got a 24 mil socket. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there and make sure we can break it loose. This is the new one that we got. It's sitting right here. We got it from Rock Auto for 16 bucks shipped. You can't really beat that. Rock Auto is the truth on parts. Facts. So my old knock sensors like this actually comes all the way out, which is horrible. Like trash, hot trash.
Mega trash.
Fact. Wait, what?
Yo, this is the fool that I bought the RSX from.
So
If I go meet him with this car, I'm gonna fight him.
and this is the new one. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it back on. It's gonna twist the new one back into place and then tighten it. I think you're supposed to tighten it to 23 foot-pounds. We ain't got a torque wrench, so we're just gonna tighten that to snaps. Nah, I'm playing.
Why you putting me on the camera, dog?
Bro, what you have to say, bro?
Alright, so wrong, bro. I want to see you looking like this, man.
You don't?
I don't want to see you like this. You got a little push-on fitting, bro. It's wobbly. And then you got a hose clamp right there to the fuel filter, man. Then you got like a stock fuel line right there with zip ties.
Oh, that's zip tied?
That's zip tied right there, man.
Wow.
I want to see you like that, Ronald, bro. You got this AN fitting right here going on to the push fitting right there, man, with a hose clamp.
Come on,
Bro,
Ron.
you need to be like, come here, bro.
Wow, y'all just put me on blast today.
I know I'm not Mr. Big Horsepower guy yet.
Nah, but you big money.
But you got zip ties right
Hey,
here.
you're big money, right?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Wow, you got.
Look at this.
Wow,
man.
look at
See,
his bag.
You need this, all right, and also this. I'm about to do this.
I don't
next.
trust these rubber hose,
Yeah,
bro.
but you still
No,
got stock shield.
they're actually good.
They're very resistant with heat.
They're really good.
What about heat?
Bro, look at this shit.
I don't
Yeah,
know,
but you
bro.
don't have a turbo there.
Your exhaust is in the front.
Exactly.
My exhaust is right here.
No, the thing is, bro, it's a fuel line. You can redirect it away from heat.
That's true.
Yeah. Look at that, man. All the way to the fuel pump, bro. This shit. All the way back. Same with this
But
shit.
you got a stock fuel filter. Why didn't you get an inline? They're like 15 bucks max.
Nah, because I thought I was going to run the stock shit right there.
Go get the inline, bro.
I'm about to, bro, but I don't have money like that.
Nah, you got money, bro. You.
I mean, I don't got money to spend all I want.
Wow. So you got money.
Save.
So yeah, fellas, that's how you change your knock sensor. I need to go get my fender. I might get it before the video ends. And we're hoping the rain passes, but I don't think the rain's gonna pass for for another day or two, according to South Florida's weather.
Oh, you checked?
Yeah.
Yeah, it said the whole weekend.
Yeah. So hopefully, I don't know. I really wanted to get this car in on the suspension because he got, you know, Matt's big money and all. He got, you know what I'm saying? He got that expensive suspension and he got the 2019 fit wheels, bro. It's clean. His car is clean, bro.
Don't race it if you see
You just posted my car up to get stolen, dog.
Nah, they don't know where you live.
They just see a car that has KBros right there, bro. They just see the 50/50 and the KBros. That's it.
They got the 50/50, bro. That boy clean.
Better blow out my
Any
license
Honda
plate,
with a
bro.
sticker that starts with a K is automatically.
Hey, bro, that's his license plate, bro.
Yo, dog.
Don't steal his car. That's his license plate.
Don't steal his car. That's his license plate.
Yeah, cause you got a KBros stickers, bro. So if
Yo,
you
he lives at 3500 Southwest.
car starts after changing the knock sensor, let's see if I get a check engine light.
Oh, you gonna hold?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go to my brother's house, pick up the fender, and I'll be right back. Ooh, ooh. Ah, shit! Ah. Yo, look what happened to me.
Since Ron wants me to make a fool of myself, this is what I'm dealing with. I have a cushion. You know I stole the cushion from your computer chair, right? So if I don't make it, I'm gonna be a part of this car.
Change your clutch? Yeah.
Stage 4.
Ow.
Anyways, so here's the car in daylight. This is how it looks. That's a catch can because it does have AN fittings for the cash can. But yeah, car's looking a lot cleaner than before. Must be nice to have the money, bro. Must be nice.
Bro, nobody wanna hear that. Must be nice to have money. Who has a turbocharged? Yep, exactly. Look, I'm gonna take off the camera. That's gonna be my argument for everything.
You just sold your car. You got like $4 grand.
I got $3 grand. Yo, anybody who got a TSX, let me know. Manual. I got $3K if you down.
I'm about trying to hear that shit.
Or a Accord with an 8 swap or something tonight, or F20D.
But this is the fender also.
I drove a H20.
So yeah, my camera battery's dead, so I'm gonna head out. Probably pick it up when I get home.
You know why I'm on 4 frame? This is his excuse.
Alright, so that's the end of today's video. I've got the new fender on, as you guys can see. We took some pictures and all that, but we're gonna go get some food, hang out with the homies, and yeah. As I said in the beginning of the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share the video, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to support the homies. And Puro, big shout out to Puro Oil, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.